Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Welcome to all CBTs. Today we'll be looking at 7 likely science mathematics questions. So stay with us as we go through them all. Our first question is on algebra, and it says, solve the system of equations 2x plus 3y equals 17, x minus y equals 2. Hence, determine the value of x squared plus y squared. So in order to solve this, let's call this equation 1. This forms equation 1 and equation 2. So for us to solve this, we can either use our substitution method or we use elimination method. Okay, for the purpose of this, we will be using substitution method. We have 2x plus 3y equals 17 and x minus y equals 2. So let's say from equation 2, let's make x as subject of formula. We have x equals 2 plus y. Okay, so we'll substitute x equals 2 plus y into equation 1. Okay, substituting x equals 2 plus y into equation 1. Then we have 2 brackets 2 plus y plus 3y equals 17. Okay, opening up our bracket, we have 2 times 2, 4 plus 2y plus 3y equals 17. Okay, collecting like terms, we have 5y equals 17 minus 4. Okay, so 5y equals 13. So our y equals 13 over 5. Okay, now substituting that into our formula of x equals 2 plus y, we have x equals 2 plus 13 over 5. So this gives us, our LCM here is 5. X equals, this will be 5 times 2, 10 plus 13, which gives us 23 over 5. So x equals 23 over 5 and y equals 13 over 5. Now it says determine the value of x squared plus y squared. So x squared will become 13 over 5 all squared. Okay, let's have this as x plus y squared. X squared plus y squared. Okay, plus 23 over 5 plus 13 over 5 all squared. Okay, so from here, 23 squared gives us 529 over 5 squared gives us 25. Alright, plus 13 squared is 169 over 25. So we have a common denominator of 25. So this becomes 529 plus 169, which gives us 698, alright, over 25, which is 698 divided by 25 gives us 27.92. So the value of x squared plus y squared will be 27. 0.92. Now, our second question is on coordinate geometry. It says the points A is on coordinates 2 and 3, and B is on coordinates 8 and 15. Lies on the straight line. On the straight line, we should find the gradient of AB. Okay, so if you are looking for the gradient of AB, we know that our gradient is giving us y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1, where this is our x1, y1, x2, y2. So applying here, that means our y2 is 15 minus 3 all over 8 minus 2, which gives us 15 minus 3 is 12, 8 minus 2 is 6, so our gradient would be 2. So the gradient of our line AB would be 2. Then the B part says determine the equation of the line. Okay, now to find the equation of the line, we have a y minus y1 all over y2 minus y1 equals x minus x1 all over x2 minus x1. So now our y minus y1 is 3 all over 15 minus 3 equals x minus 2 all over 8 minus 2. So this gives us y minus 3 over 12 equals x minus 2 over 6. So we cross multiply. Cross multiplying, this gives us 6 brackets y minus 3 equals 12 brackets x minus 2. Alright, so opening up our brackets, we have it as 6y minus 6 times 3, 18 equals 12x minus 24. Okay, so bringing our terms together, we have it as 12x minus 6y equals minus 24 plus 18. Okay, that would be plus 24 minus 18. So our positive 6y crosses over to become minus, and our positive 24 crosses, negative 24 crosses over to become positive. Okay? So this we have as 12x minus 6y equals 24 minus 18 will give us 6. So we can divide through by 6 to have 2x minus y equals 1. So our equation of the line will become 2x minus y equals 1. And to the C part, it says find the coordinates of the midpoint of AB. Now for us to find the coordinates, we have midpoint will be x1 plus x2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. So this will give us x1 plus x2 is 8 plus 2 over 2 and 15 plus 3 over 2. So that gives us 10 over 2 and 18 over 2. So the midpoint will be 5 and 9. So our midpoint will be 5 and 9. Okay, the third one talks on it's on trigonometry. Alright, it says a ladder 10 meters long leans against a vertical wall. The foot of the ladder is 6 meters from the wall. Calculate the height reached by the ladder and find the angle the ladder makes with the ground. Now, it says express your answer correct to 1 decimal place. Okay, let's put up a pictorial representation of the statement. It says, let's assume this is a wall. Okay, this is a wall. Alright, it says a ladder is 10 meters long and this is a ground. Okay, a ladder 10 meters long leans against a vertical wall. So this is a ladder which is 10 meters long. Okay, the foot of the ladder is 6 meters away. So now the foot of our ladder, this is the foot of our ladder to the wall is 6 meters. Alright, now calculate the height reached by the ladder. So we have to calculate the height reached by the ladder, x. Now, we can see this is forming a right angle triangle. Okay? Now, since we have this as a hypotenuse, alright, and this as an adjacent, okay, we can calculate our opposite. Alright, so let's call this theta. Okay, so for us to calculate our opposite, we would apply the Pythagoras theorem that says hypotenuse squared equals opposite squared plus adjacent squared. Okay, now a hypotenuse is 10, that's 10 squared, equals x squared is our opposite plus adjacent, which is 6. Alright, so this will be x squared equals 100 minus 36. So x squared equals 64. So x equals square root of 64, which is 8. So the height reached by the ladder would be 8 meters. Okay, that's for A. Then the B part says, find the angle the ladder makes with the ground. So the angle the ladder makes with the ground would be theta. Alright? So now, since we are given hypotenuse and opposite and adjacent, so we apply SOHCAHTOA rule as so. SOHCAHTOA, and that will be cosine, since we have adjacent and hypotenuse. So that becomes cos theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So cos theta equals adjacent is 6 and hypotenuse is 10. So cos theta equals 0.6. So our theta would be cos inverse of 0.6. So theta equals cos inverse of 0.6. That gives us 53.130 degrees. Now, it says express your answer and correct to 1 decimal place. So our theta will be 53.1 degrees. Will be our theta, our angle that the ladder makes with the ground.
Hi, I'm sure you enjoyed the video you just watched. To see more content as that, preparing you for your upcoming exam, make sure to smash the subscribe button and turn on notification. Also, remember that you can use the comment section to send us your questions or your inquiries, and we are happy to take them. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.